The comprehensive Protaper Universal System comes complete with instruments for simple, fast, efficient, and safe root canal treatment. The Rotary Protaper files enable high-quality canal preparation in a very short time. Once direct access to the canal has been created, the opening is filled with hypochlorite. Then the canal is explored with a 010K file or a 013 Celsius Profinder file. The file is worked gently down the canal. It's stopped when resistance is encountered. Throughout the procedure, hypochlorite is used to irrigate extensively after each instrument is used. The identical process is used with a 015 file or a 013 Celsius Profinder. The distance that the file has been inserted into the canal without using force is measured. This measurement is copied onto the first instrument, S1. To avoid perforations, the S1 must be brushed in the opposite direction to the furcation. If necessary, the auxiliary SX serves to eliminate the triangle of dentine and create direct access to the canals. The 015K hand file or 013 Celsius Profinder is used to establish the working length, in addition to an X-ray and an apex locator like Propex. This measurement is copied onto the S1, which is matched to the working length by brushing away from the furcation danger. A 010K file can be used as a patency file between each instrument change. The working length is copied onto the S2. Brushing movements are used on the S2 until the working length is reached. The same working length is applied to the F1. As with all finishing instruments, there's no brushing, simply in and out movements. As soon as the working length is reached, The instrument is immediately withdrawn. A 020K file is introduced up to the working length to gauge the apical diameter of the canal. When snug, the apical diameter is 0.20 of a millimeter. If the file is still loose, the F2 is used. Here the diameter is 0.20. For the obturation, a gutta percha F1 of the